Hello there, everyone. So, I thought of coming up with a concept on strategic communication, and there is an example that I'll take you through which will help you understand strategic communication in a very easy breezy way, and how can you apply those steps in your professional genre. So, firstly, let's understand कि strategic communication होता क्या है. Now, strategic communication एक ऐसा form of communication है जिसमें आप डेलिबरेटली स्ट्रैटेजीज अप्लाई करते हो, इंटेंशनली स्ट्रैटेजीज अप्लाई करते हो, सो दैट यू अचीव द गोल्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, सम मेजर गोल्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स विच कैन बी रिलेटेड टू, अगर आपकी कंपनी में कोई नया ब्रांड आ रहा है, उस ब्रांड डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए कोई क्राइसिस जैसी सिचुएशन है तब आप इसे यूज़ करोगे, कोई चेंज आ रहा है, चेंज मैनेज करने के लिए यू यूज़ स्ट्रैटेजिक communication to achieve a goal. Now that is what is strategic communication. Now I have this example which is supposingly, there was this friend who came up with a fitness brand and he was constantly putting his efforts to get recognition in the social media. वो constantly अपने he was putting in the pictures and videos भी डाल रहे थे, nutrition diet, he was talking about yoga, zumba, but somehow there was no buzz which was created in the social media में कोई उन्हें ज़्यादा लोग फॉलो नहीं कर रहे थे, कमेंट्स ज़्यादा नहीं था, कोई शेयर नहीं कर रहा उनके उस वीडियोस को या उनके उस डाइट को. Then we thought of doing a strategic kind of a communication which can help the brand align in a certain way. So here we applied strategic communication to actually एक ब्रांड को पूरा का पूरा डेवलप करने के लिए. Now the first step that we tried was setting the clear objectives. आप सारी चीज़ें कर रहे हो बट you need to be very very specific कि आपने ये ब्रांड क्यों बनाया है, किसके लिए बनाया है. Now for that matter if we put something like, जैसे मैंने उनको सजेस्ट किया, why not कि आप ऐसा कुछ करो कि this is for people who are professionals, who they don't have much time to go through such videos and concepts. So थोड़ा easy breezy कर देते हैं इसको and make it for like quick videos, quick tips for fitness, like so that can be something for people who are really busy and they cannot give much time to their physical routine. So एक कहीं ना कहीं एक communication set हो गया कि okay, this is for people who are like really busy professionals and उनको fitness के लिए will keep posting the videos and the nutrition diet. So the first thing is we need to set the objective clear कि this is for such people who need fitness on a regular basis but they are really busy. So first was that. The second was we need to understand कि हमारा audience क्या seek कर रहा है. So trying to post the videos in terms of the audience. So we need to understand कि उनके needs और उनके expectations क्या है. So we started doing something like 30 minutes morning routine or like 15 minutes का you can do a Zumba and something like a quick snack that you can try while you're driving or probably while you are having a break. So something like an easy breezy thing जहाँ पे उनको इतना engross होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इतना दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, and it clearly aligns with the audience, जहाँ वो ये समझ सकते हैं कि ये क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं, and it is specifically for people, for the targeted audience who are busy and they don't have much time to give through. So the first was setting the objective. The second was making a strategy as per the audience. Guys, so the final step is feedback and continuous monitoring and evaluation. Once the strategic communication is done and you are speaking with your consumers, talking to them, being active on the social media platform, the final step is taking constant feedback, improvement, and just understanding what is that, if there is a gap, how is that you can take care of it, how is that you can solve your customer queries and talk about your brand more often, and continuously monitoring and evaluating the gaps and taking quick call to action, like immediately you see something and you take an action to it. So that's how you can form and develop your brand. This is what we did when it came to the fitness brand of my friend. And when we started applying all this strategic communication in the steps that I have just mentioned, trust me, his brand, it just took off, and it created that kind of recognition, the number of followers which he wanted, and the leads were generated, and it was all visible when the steps were taken. So apply all of these steps and let me know if strategic communication works for you. Thank you so much.